Welcome back, Crammers. Question 14. Expand and simplify. 5 minus x times 2x plus 3 times x plus 4. We're going to be using the FOIL method where F stands for first, O stands for outside, I stands for inside, and L stands for last. Let's get started. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 3 is 15. Negative x times 2x is negative 2x squared. Negative x times 3 is negative 3x. Now we multiply this with x plus 4. X times 10x is 10x squared. X times 15 is 15x. X times negative 2x squared is negative 2x cubed. X times negative 3x is negative 3x squared. Now we multiply by 4. 10x times 4 is 40x. 4 times 15 is 60. 4 times negative 2x is negative 8x squared. 4 times negative 3x is negative 12x. Now we combine all the like terms. For cube, there's only one like term. For square, we have three different like terms. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 minus 8 is negative 1. So negative 1x squared. For x, we have three different terms. 15 15 plus 40 minus 12 is 43x, and we only have one constant, plus 60. This is our final answer. Make C the subject of G is equal to C plus 3 over 4 plus C minus 7. So we know that G is equal to C plus 3 over 4 plus C. We can rewrite negative 7 as negative 7 times 4 plus C over 4 plus C. Since this simply cancels out and we just get negative 7, we can rewrite this now as G is equal to C plus 3 minus 7, 4 plus C, all over 4 plus C. We can then multiply 4 plus C to both sides. So we get G into 4 plus C is equal to C plus 3, negative 7, 4 plus C. We can then cancel out. We can then simplify. 4G plus GC is equal to C plus 3. Negative 7 times 4 is negative 28. Negative 7 times C is negative 7C. Now we bring all the C to one side. So here we have GC. Negative 7C to the other side is plus 7C. C to the other side is negative 1C. Now we bring 4G to the other side. That's negative 4G. 3 minus 28 is negative 25. Now, since we have C as common here, we can isolate that as C into G plus 7 minus 1 is equal to negative 4G minus 25. Now, 7 minus 1 can be simplified to 6. So now we simply divide both sides by G plus 6. G plus 6. So C is simply equal to negative 4G minus 25 divided by G plus 6. You can write this here in better handwriting. Negative 4G minus 25 all over G plus 6. That is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.